Got a quiz for you. How do you know a stretch belt is worn out? Well, I'm going to answer your question next.
This video is sponsored by Auto Value and Bumper to Bumper. Visit us online for more information.
A stretch belt does not wear out because it stretches too far. It wears out because the grooves on this side become too shallow and it can no longer grip the pulleys. Stretch belts are becoming more popular on domestic and import vehicles, and they typically go from the crankshaft to the AC pulley. The AC compressor, well, when that clicks on with the clutch, it causes a lot of stress on a typical serpentine belt. This is why they're using a stretch belt for this, because with a stretch belt, you can get much more coverage on the pulley with the belt. How do you know a stretch belt is worn out? Well, you're going to need a gauge to measure the depths of the groove. Once they reach that certain point and it's no longer able to grip the pulleys, you're going to see a couple problems and you're going to hear it quite a bit. So always use a gauge to measure the depths of the groove to make sure that you spot a worn out stretch belt before it goes bad for the customer. I'm Andrew Markel. Thank you very much.